Hi, I'm Markus, co-founder of myEGO based in Berlin. At myEGO, it's all about digital identity. Probably all of you carry a wallet with you. You have your ID card, your driver's license, your credit cards, maybe a card for your public transportation or library. What we do is we transform those physical credentials into digital verified credentials that you get onto your phone and you are able to manage them and share them with a desired party. So our vision is to enable everybody to a self-sovereign management of these digital data assets. Because the problem that you face today is that you cannot use those physical credentials in a digital world without a media interruption. With our platform, we enable businesses as well as the end users to share these digital data assets with each other in a decentralized, self-sovereign, and mainly GDPR-conform way. So this is a long-term solution to replace the physical cards with the digital original and manage them in your own wallet. Our product is pretty easy to understand. We have the issuer, which is usually our business partners, that issue certain credentials. Could be identity, credit score, COVID vaccination, or anything else. These credentials are then pushed to the smartphone of the user. We provide a background wallet that can be integrated in the app of our B2B partners. Of course, the credentials also have to be verified, and our platform brings those three players together.
Imagine you want to rent a car and you have to verify your ID card and driver's license. With myEGO, you will be guided through this process safely within the car rentals app. You verify your ID card, you verify your driver's license, and finally, we also perform a liveness check. This way you can share the credentials with the car rental, but what's even more, afterwards you can reuse these credentials for another car rental and share them.
The market potential for decentralized digital identities is immense. Leading research companies predict a 100 billion market by 2030, and we assume that we can access about 10% of that market and that we can obtain 1% of that market, which gives us $100 million chance in the next 5 years. Here are some milestones we achieved so far. We were founded in 2019 and our product went live in 2021. So far, we have closed a seed financing round of 1.4 million in 2021, and mid-2022, we successfully finished a POC with Swisscom. Now we are in deeper talks with several strategic partners, and we are onboarding an advisory board right now. In Q1, we are targeting a pre-Series A round for about 5 million euros. This is our team. We have Tanya as the founder, me as the co-founder. Both of us have more than 20 years experience in different areas of starting up businesses in the area of finance, IT, or scaling those businesses to an exit. Alex, our CTO, has more than 7 years experience as a full-stack developer and leads our development team. We have Frank, our advisor, who has been 18 years as the CEO at Avarto Financial Solutions. Eliana for marketing, Marius, our entrepreneur in residence, and Red as our product manager, who already used to work for myEGO from the very beginning. Let me close with an offer to you. myEGO makes its complete platform available and creates the first live use case for your company. Take this opportunity to take digitization in your company to the next level. Thank you very much.